Let's talk about face masks. I've been tempted to make one for a while, long before the CDC started going back and forth on whether they were going to recommend them. But I finally bit the bullet and did it. This is not a how to make it tutorial. This is my first sewing project in many years, and I did not do a great job. And there are plenty of other much better tutorials, and I'll link one down below, one of the ones I used. But the CDC had a couple of big reasons not to recommend people use face masks. One of them was the shortage. They didn't want to run on the disposable, much more effective face masks that our medical professionals need. And yes, this one is not going to be as effective as one of those face masks, but there are still some good reasons to wear it. One, something is better than nothing. When we're talking about the particulate matter that COVID-19 travels in, something is better than nothing. But the big one, too, is you might be a carrier. You could be asymptomatic, you could have been social distancing properly, but you still may carry it without knowing, and so this will help keep everyone safe if we all choose to wear one. However, I've seen lots of people who are wasting valuable medical supplies out and about. They're wearing the medical grade masks, but they're doing it wrong. Even people wearing these ones wrong, but it's more upsetting when they're wasting the stuff that there's a shortage of. So let's talk about how to properly wear a mask like this. First of all, wash your hands before you touch it. Wash your hands, then earpieces first. You may touch the front at this point only to adjust it properly to your face. Wash your hands again. Now don't touch your face. Don't touch the outside of the mask. Don't reach underneath to scratch an itch. Don't pull it down over your nose because it's hot in here. Don't touch the mask. Leave it alone until you're back home where you can sanitize it. Then, when you want to take it off, touch only the earpieces, pull it straight away from your face, sanitize it. You can throw it in the washing machine with hot water. You can use a steamer like this to sanitize, but you want to sanitize it, and then guess what? Wash your hands. Wash your hands before and after you touch it, taking it on or off, and then don't touch it in between. Responsible use of a mask helps social distancing keep us safe. The CDC's other concern was that people would be less vigilant about social distancing if they were wearing a mask. So don't do that. Stay vigilant. Wear the mask responsibly. Stay safe. Also, quit touching your face.